Ever poured a perfect glass of wine, only to ruin it with melting ice? I know the feeling. Crystal clear cubes that end up totally watering down your favorite pour. But what if I told you there's a delicious fix hiding in your fridge right now? That's right. Today I'm revealing the ultimate wine hack that keeps your drink cool without watering it down. Ready for your new summer obsession? Let's get into it. Regular ice cubes? Sure, they chill your wine, but they also melt and mess with the flavor. It's like inviting a party crasher to your perfect glass. But frozen grapes? Now that's a game changer. They chill your wine and keep the taste pure, exactly how you want it. Plus, let's be honest, they look gorgeous floating in your glass. It's a tiny upgrade that makes you feel like you're sipping wine at a fancy vineyard, even if you're just hanging out at home. Here's how to do it. First, grab some seedless grapes, green or red, totally up to you. Give them a good wash and dry, because no one wants dusty grapes in their wine. Spread them out on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Make sure they're not touching, so they freeze evenly. Pop them into the freezer for 2 to 3 hours, until they're nice and firm. Then, transfer your frozen grapes to an airtight container and keep them in the freezer. They're now ready whenever you are. When you're ready for that perfect glass, just drop 3 or 4 frozen grapes into your glass before pouring the wine. They'll keep your drink cool for over 30 minutes, and unlike ice cubes, they won't melt and dilute the flavor. Want to get fancy? Pair red grapes with red wine and green grapes with white wine for an extra elegant touch. Or try freezing different varieties for a colorful wine flight. If you're entertaining, this hack is a total showstopper. Serve wine with frozen grapes at your next dinner party and watch your guests light up. It looks stunning, feels special, and trust me, it's a great conversation starter. Want to take it even further? Try soaking your grapes in wine before freezing for an extra burst of flavor. Freeze champagne grapes for sparkling wine, or add herbs like mint for a fresh twist. The possibilities are endless. So, next time you reach for those ice cubes, stop! Grab frozen grapes instead for a chilled, undiluted glass of perfection. If you love this hack, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clever kitchen tips. Cheers to smarter sipping!